As a graphic designer, you know that creating stunning visuals can take time and effort. But what if there was a tool that could help you streamline your workflow and bring your designs to life quickly and easily? Introducing Microsoft Designer, a powerful new tool that makes graphic design easy and intuitive.
Wow, this is amazing. Look at all the templates and design elements available to use. And I love how I can quickly switch between different projects without losing my work.
That's right. Microsoft Designer makes it easy to create professional-looking designs without any prior design experience. With an intuitive interface and pre-made templates, you can create logos, brochures, social media posts, and more in minutes.
This is so much easier than using Photoshop or Illustrator. I love how I can use the Smart Art feature to quickly create a custom logo without having to start from scratch.
And with cloud-based storage, you can access your designs from anywhere, on any device.
This is amazing. I can continue working on my designs even when I'm away from my computer.
Microsoft Designer is a game changer for graphic designers, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. With its user-friendly interface, pre-made templates, and powerful design features, you can create stunning visuals in no time.
I can't believe how easy it was to create this. Microsoft Designer has saved me so much time and effort.
So why waste time struggling with complex design software when you can use Microsoft Designer to create amazing graphics quickly and easily? Try it out today and see for yourself.